Welcome back. Now that we have the user part of our hotel app working well enough, we can view our rooms. We can also contact. We can send messages. We can book, and all this, every other functionality of the user part is working well. We're going to create another page for the staff, for the admins, so that they can be able to view your bookings, create their rooms, do all those other things. And we don't want every user, any user, just anyhow user to just have access to the dashboard, right? That's why we're going to do with authentication also in this video. So we're going to do with authentication, we're going to do with the dashboard aspect, allowing the staff to be able to book, see the user's booking and so on and so forth. So we're going to go straight into the video without wasting any of our time. As a good practice, we're going to create another app for that functionality. You understand? We already know what an application is. We're going to create another app for that functionality. So just to refresh our memory, to create the app, I'm going to say Python manage.py start app, and the name of the app, I'm going to call it staff. And I'm going to click enter. So we can see the staff app here. So I'm going to go ahead to register the app in my settings.py. So in my installed apps, I'm going to put in a new app called staff. Then I'm going to save that. That is registered already. So I'm going to go straight to create the views for the registration page, the login page, and the dashboard. I'm going to go straight into that. So just to refresh our memory, for the registration, it's just register. Then I have passing request parameter. Then return render. Then I'm going to pass in request and also the name of the template. And yeah, I have already done my templates and my static files. So in my templates folder, I already created a folder called admin, and I already put my template inside that admin folder. And also for my static, I created another folder called admin. I put my CSS, JS, images, all those static folders in that admin folder. So that has been done. Do that. Get your template. Your template is your HTML file. Put it in the folder called admin. Now, when I want to render the template, I won't just say register.html. I will call the folder for say admin slash register.html. So that is as simple as that. I'm going to create for the rest and continue the video. Now that that is done, I will go straight to create my URLs for each of these pages. So I'm going to go to my staff, this folder, and I'm going to manually create a urls.py file. And I'm going to put in all necessary, the URL patterns, the paths and everything, and we'll be right back. Now that I've done that, this won't be complete without me including these URLs in my project URLs. So I will go to my project URLs, sorry, and I would include that. I'm going to put a path. I'm just going to put in staff. Then I would include then the name of the app. I'll say staff.urls .urls. Then I'll give the namespace equals to staff. Now save that. So now I have this whole thing running. I have my staff.urls file. Then I have my my URL file here. So let's continue. So I'm going to run my server. So I have that here, and I'm going to run that on my. So I'm going to put slash sorry, slash staff. So I can see that working perfectly. I can see for my login page, my login page is here, and I can also see for my dashboard. So this is something we all know. So I don't think I called the name well. I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, dashboard. I can refresh this page. So I can see my dashboard here. So now everything I just showed you now is static. Nothing interesting is going on right now. The next thing we're going to be doing is putting in the functionalities in each of these views, allowing staff register, login, and also take them to their dashboard and carry out the functionality in the dashboard. I hope you understand that. That was very short. That was straightforward. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.